Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create this pink cut crease eye makeup look. So those who want to know how I created this look, please continue watching, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Starting with some skin prep, I'm applying my favorite sunscreen recommended by my dermatologist. This sunscreen will also act as a primer and protect your skin from harmful lights and UV rays. Now I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade medium, and I'm going to conceal the dark spots under my eyes and also any scars or acne marks on my face. I'm taking my PAC Wet Beauty Blender and I'm just blending out the concealer which I applied on my under eye area. Now I'm going to apply some concealer on my lid as well. This will provide a really nice and smooth base to apply my eyeshadow, and also my eyeshadow will stick very nicely and it will the color will come out really well. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics goof proof eyebrow pencil. I have done the second eyebrows as well off the camera. Now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Have selected very light shade which is very close to my skin tone to just set the base, the concealer which I applied. So I'm just lightly patting the eyeshadow all over my eyelid to just set the concealer. I'm taking Eden as my transition shade and I'm going to apply it into my crease. I'm using this brush by Sigma. This is in number E40. This is a really nice large blending fluffy brush which is great for applying transition shades and also for blending the edges. Make sure that you are not applying too much pressure, and I'm applying the same shade onto my other eyelid. After that, I'm going to select a shade Blazing and I'm going to apply it onto my outer V corner and also into my crease. I have taken another smaller blending brush to just focus the eyeshadow to that area. Now I've taken a shade Amber, which is a darker brown, and I'm focusing that onto the outer V of my eye and just extending it towards the inner corner. That will make the eyeshadow look very blended. Now I've selected shade Saffron, which is kind of a brick red, and applying it onto the crease and outer V of my eyes. Applying the same shade Saffron onto my other eyelid and just packing it onto the outer corner of the eyes and just swiping it towards the inner corner to make it blended. Now I've selected another shade Oud, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, and just packing it into the outer V of my eye. This will make sure that the pigment and the color of the eyeshadow will pop up really nicely. Packing really helps guys with the color pigment. So I'm going to apply the same shade on the other eyelid and just packing in the Oud color. This will just define the outer corner and it will just add some depth to your eyeshadow look. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm going to do a cut crease. So I have taken a flat concealer brush and I'm going to cut the crease. You can use any lighter shade concealer to just cut the crease, and you need to cut the crease till the the one half of your eyes. So I'm just applying the concealer and marking the line and packing in the concealer. After that, I'll be setting this concealer with the help of a lighter shade eyeshadow, and then I have selected a glitter Narfatiti from my eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to pack in the glitter onto the cut crease area. This is such a gorgeous and beautiful golden shimmer eyeshadow, and the pigmentation of this palette is absolute bomb.com guys. If you want to invest in any good palette, you should definitely check out Huda Beauty Desert This palette. Now I'm selecting a shade, Turkish Delight, which is very nice sparkly pinkish glitter eyeshadow, and I'm just applying it on the area where my cut crease and the outer edge of the eyeshadow is connected. This will make sure that your eyeshadow will look connected and very blended. Now I'm going to apply the transition shade onto my lower lash line with the help of my Pro Arte pencil brush. So I'm just applying the shade, the blazing, the saffron and amber, mixing all three and applying it on my lower lash line. After that, I'm taking my Maybelline Colossal pen liner and I'm going to do a wing. So I'm just following the shape of my eyes and creating a wing with the help of my Maybelline pen eyeliner. I know applying an eyeliner is very tricky, but I have done a really nice and easy tutorial on how to apply your perfect winged eyeliner. So make sure, if you haven't checked it out, do check it out. I will put the link of that video in the description down below. So I will apply the eyeliner on both the eyes and it's done. Now I'm going to apply my PAC M73 eyelashes. After that, I'm going to apply my Clinique Even Better foundation in shade medium and just blending it into my skin with the help of my damp beauty blender. Make sure you are taking your time in blending your foundation so that your makeup lasts all day long. So my foundation is blended and it looks even. Now I'm going to bronze my face with the help of my favorite bronzer, which is Physician Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to apply it into my halo of my cheeks. So you just need to apply from your ears till the half of your cheeks, like where the dimple is appearing. And also I'm going to apply it on my jawline. So this is a method of contouring which just creates an illusion like a shadow. It gives you a nice chiseled cheeks. Now I'm taking my Tri Sugar Salmon Superstar blush and applying it on the apple of my cheeks. If you know me guys, if you are following all my videos, you know that how much I love applying blushes, and this one is one of my favorite blush to apply. And I also like to apply it on my nose to kind of connect the area. Now I'm going to apply my favorite Clinique Pop Matte lipstick and I'm going to apply this shade. This is very nice magenta pink shade. So I'm going to apply it and see how it will look. After applying this lipstick, I feel that it's quite dark for this look. So I'm going to tone it down with the help of my Miss Claire matte lip stain and I'm applying it all over to just tone it down. Now I think that this shade is looking much better and it connects with the entire face. I'm taking my Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter in shade rose gold, like molten rose gold, and just applying the highlighter on the high point of my cheeks. Also I'll be applying it on my brow bone, on the inner corner of my eye, and a little bit on my nose as well. Recently I've discovered that applying the highlighter and nose gives you a really nice flash of highlight, and it looks really gorgeous. So I'm going to apply it on my nose as well. Alright guys, so this completes the entire makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get the notification for whenever I'm uploading my next video, and let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this look, and drop in your suggestions for my next tutorial and let me know what you guys want to see and I will do that for you guys. I love you all so much and I'll see you on to my next video.